one applied question. The question is -1, -3, -7 and so on, -151. Okay, find the sum of middle terms. Sum of middle terms. To find the sum of middle terms, we need to find out n value. If n is even, then there is one formula. With the help of that formula, you need to find out two middle terms and add them. If n is odd, then that n by 2, the term will be the answer. Understood? Here, if n is even, check whether n is even or not. Solution. What is a value? -1. What is d value? a2 minus a1. Second number minus first number. What is the second term? -3 minus. What is the first term? -1. Double minus bracket is equal to -3 minus into minus plus. -3 plus 1 -2. What we got? B value and a value. What is we are having? A value -151. What we need to find out? N value. N is equal to question mark. Next, we know that the formula an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into t. What is an? -151 is equal to, what is a value? -1 plus n minus 1. What is d value? -2. D is -2. -1 it will become +1. -151 plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into -2. Understood? Then -151 plus 1 -150 is equal to n minus 1 into -2. Into -2 it will become divide. -150 divided by -2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus cancel. 2 ones are 2, 75s are. 75 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 it will become plus 1. 75 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 76. To find the middle terms, when n is even. Okay. To find middle terms when n is even. Is even or odd? Even. When n is even, there are two formulas. What are the formulas? Okay, the terms n divided by 2, the term, and n divided by 2 plus 1, the term. Correct? Okay, n by 2 the term. What is n by 2? 76 divided by 2 the term. Okay, 76 divided by 2? 38. Okay, 38th term. 38th term, A38 annani. 38 andre enapa? A30. Next, this is equal to 76 divided by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 38 plus 1. This is equal to 39th term. 39th term can be written as A39. What we need to find out? The sum of these two. The sum of these two terms. The sum of which terms? A38 plus A39. A38 can be written as A plus 37D plus A39 can be written as A plus 38D. A plus 38D. This is equal to A plus A 2A plus 37 38 75D. Correct? Okay. This is equal to 2 into what is A value? What is A? -1 plus 75. What is D value? -2. Okay. -2 ones are -2 plus into minus 75 twos are 150. If both are minus, add 158 plus 2 152. Big number symbol minus. Okay, therefore sum of middle terms is equal to sum of middle terms is equal to minus 152 will be the answer. 4 mark question. Understood? Hmm. 11th question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, this is the question. What we need to write? क्या लिखना चाहिए हमें first? What we need to write? Solution given. What are the given things? A is equal to what is A? 3. B is equal to A2 minus A1. 15 minus 3. 12. Okay. Then what they are asking here? According to question. According to question. क्या है question? क्या है देखो. Look here. Will be 132 more than which term under? Which term? Which term means an. Which term means an. An will be under that. Let an will be 132 more than its 54th term. An pass. An will be 132 more than its 54th term. Let which ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾನು an ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Which term ಅಂತಂದಾಗ let an will be 132 more than its 54th term. Therefore an is equal to 132 more than 132 more ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 132 more than its 54th term. Understood? an will be 132 plus more than 132 more than its 54th term. A54. an is equal to A54 plus 132. an formula split ಮಾಡೋಣ. formula A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Okay, A54 A plus 53 D plus 132. Okay, next. Hey गप्पर एक थोड़ी बड़े धन आके वाले कट. हाँ, what is A value? 3 plus in bracket n minus 1. What is D value? 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into D value 12 plus 130. Correct? Okay. Next 3 plus 12 into n. 12n minus 12 into 1. 12 is equal to 3 plus 12 3s are 36. Carry 3. 12 5s are 60 plus 3. 63 plus 132. Next 12n minus 3 ಒಳಗೆ plus minus 12 plus 3 minus 9 ಬರ್ತದ. minus 12 plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 3 add ಮಾಡಂತ 2 plus 6 8 plus 3 11 carry 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7. Next 1 plus 6 7 71 minus 9 it will become plus 9. 12n is equal to 771 plus 9. Then 12n is equal to 780 into 12 it will become divide. n is equal to 780 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72 ಎಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು 65. 12 5s are 68. n is equal to 65. Therefore 65th term is 132 more than which term? 54th term. Understood? 65th term of the AP is 132 more than 54th term. Understood? Right. Okay, one applied question. The question is, divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP such that the ratio of product of extremes is to the ratio of means is 7:15. Okay, we need to divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP. Let the 4 parts solution. Let the 4 parts be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Okay, what are the 3 parts? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Understood? Okay, look here, the sum is what? 32. We need to divide this number only. For that purpose, the sum is sum of all the 4 parts. A minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 32. Okay, minus 3d plus 3d plus d minus d cancel. 4a is equal to 32. 4a is equal to 32. Into 4 it will become divide. A is equal to 32 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 eights are 32. A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. According to question. According to question. Okay. According to question. What is the question here? The ratio of, ratio means divided by, the ratio of extremes, correct? Product of extremes. The ratio of product of extremes. Extreme means last and first number. What is the last number? A plus B. What is the first number? A plus B. Product of first number and last number divided by product of middlemost numbers. Means means middle terms. Means means middle terms. Understood? Ratio of extreme means first and last number. Extreme ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning ಏನಪ್ಪ? Extreme ಬರೀತು first last ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ extreme ಅಂತ. And the middle two terms are called as means. Means the ratio of product of first and last number. Product of first and last number. Okay. What is the first number here? A minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by the ratio of means, middle terms, middle two terms, a minus d into a plus d is equal to, what is the ratio? 7:15. Understood? 7:15. 7 divided by 15. 7:15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 divided by 15. Okay. Next, a minus b into a plus b formula. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. That is a square minus 3d whole square divided by a minus d into a plus d. A square minus b square. Correct? Okay. A square minus d square is nothing but what? 3d square divided by a square minus d square. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square, a square minus b square is equal to 7:15. Correct? Okay. A square as it is. A square minus 3 square is 9. D square divided by a square minus d square is equal to 7:15. Cross multiply madam. Cross multiply madam. Cross multiply. What is the answer? 15 into a square. 15 a square minus 15 nines are 135 d square is equal to, multiply a square into 7 7 a square. Next minus d square into 7 minus 7 d square. Correct? Okay. Next minus 135 d square, it will become plus 135 d square. Plus 7 a square, it will become minus 7 a square. 15 a square minus 7 a square. 15 a square minus 7 a square is equal to 135. Minus is equal to plus 135 d square minus 7 d square. Okay, 8 a square is equal to 8 a square is equal to 128 d square. 128 d square. Then look here, ಇದು into 128, it will become what? Divided by 128. 8 into a square means what is the value of a? 8 ಬಂದೈತೆ. 8 ಬಂದ a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 square divided by 128 is equal to d square. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2, 16s are. Correct? Next 8 square meaning ಏನಪ್ಪ? 8 into 8 wait, 8 square ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 into 8 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ? 8 into 8. Okay, 8 1s are 8 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay, what is d square now? 4. Therefore d square is equal to 4. D is equal to root 4. D is equal to plus or minus 2. What we got now? A is equal to 8, D is equal to 2, and A is equal to 8, D is equal to minus 2. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? A minus 3D is equal to A minus 3D and A minus D is equal to A plus D is equal to A plus 3D is equal to ಅವನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, look here. A is 8 minus 3 into D is 2. 8 minus 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Next A is 8 minus D is 2. What is the answer? 6. Next A is 8, D is 2. What is the answer? 10. A is 8 plus 3 into D is 2 is equal to 8 plus 6 14. What is the values? What are the values? 2, 6, 10, 14. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 24, 30, 32 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 32 ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 14 2s are 28 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 60. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 14s are 2 30s are. Correct? 2 7s are 2 15s are. In what answer? 7 divided by 15 means 7 is to 15. ಹೌದಾ? 7 is to 15 ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 7 is to 15 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? A is equal to D is and A is equal to D is equal to minus 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 14 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? 6, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ solution. Understood? Okay. Example 1.2, question number 12. Two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Understood? The question is, the difference between their 100th term is 100. Difference between their 100th term is 100. What we need to find out? We need to find out the difference between their their 1000th term. There are two APs. How many APs? Two APs. Solution: let the two APs be. Let the two APs are ಎರಡು AP ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು first AP1 second is AP2 AP1 AP2 correct. In the first AP, what is the first term? A1 is equal to A. In the second AP, what is the first term? A1 is equal to capital A. ಎರಡು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ AP ಗಳಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಟೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ APs ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ A, capital letter A. Then D is equal to D only. The common difference is same. D is equal to D only. Small letter ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ. Same common difference same. Therefore small d small a ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. First term different ಅದಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ small a capital A ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next here an is equal to an only, small letter an. An is equal to capital letter an ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, capital letter an. Different AP, ಇದೊಂದು different AP. Understood? According to question, difference between 100th terms is equal to 100. Correct? Difference between the 100th term ಅಂದ್ರೆ first AP the 100th term, second AP 100th term. For example, ಎರಡು AP ಗಳು, first AP 1 3 5 7 9 dot dot dot. ಈ ಕಡೆ second AP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಇವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಇವು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ AP ಅದು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ AP. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ A ತೊಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ A. ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ D, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ D ನೇ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ D ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ AN ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ AN ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ AN ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು AN ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು AN ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A100 ಮೈನಸ್ A100 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100. इसका 100th टर्म, इसका 100th टर्म ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन के अंदर है, ಏನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಐತಿ, ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ A100 minus A100. A100 can be splitted as, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, A plus 99D minus ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ, A plus 99D. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A plus 99D minus into A minus into plus minus 99D is equal to 100. Minus 99D plus 99D. Next cancel ಆಯ್ತಾ, A minus A is equal to 100. Minus A ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ, A is equal to 100 plus A. Equation number 1. Also what we need to find out, difference between their thousands term, difference between their thousandth terms, difference between their thousandth terms. Thousandth terms ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, A1000 minus A1000 is equal to, now find out ಮಾಡಿ 100 minus 100, A100 minus A100 ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 100 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. A1000 minus A1000 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ 1000th ಟರ್ಮ್. A1000 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ A plus 999D minus A plus 999D. This is equal to A plus 999D minus into A minus into plus minus 999D. Okay, plus 99D minus 999D. Okay, A minus A. From equation number 1, what is small letter A? A 100 plus a, 100 plus a minus plus a minus a cancel. What is the answer? 100. Therefore, a 1000 minus a 1000 is equal to 100. Common difference same anta. Common difference ಮೊದಲು ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 100. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 100. Therefore, it is in AP. Since it is in AP, common difference always same. 100th term minus 100th term, answer is 100. 1000 term minus 1000 term, answer is 100. Lakh term minus lakh term, answer is 100 only. Because common difference must be same. Understood? Clear to that? Right. Yeah, brother. The 13th question is, how many 3-digit numbers divisible by 7? 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. What are the 3-digit numbers? Which are the 3-digit numbers? The 3-digit numbers are 100, 101, 101, 102 and so on, 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. But what we need to find out? The numbers which are divisible by 7. 7 से divide होना. 3-digit number भी रहना. 7 से divide भी होना. Okay. The numbers, the 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. 7 ने divide ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100 is not divisible by 7. 101 is also not divisible by 7. Therefore, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ? 105. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? 105 is divisible by 7. 112 is divisible by 7. 119 is divisible by 7. Last 994. 7 ones are 7 fours are 28 7. Okay. ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 7 ले डिवाइड ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 7 से डिवाइड होना उतना ही लिखना. अब क्या है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म? a is equal to 105. Okay. d is equal to a2 minus a1. What is second term? 112 minus 105. What is the answer? 7. Common difference is 7. What is the last term? an is equal to 994. What is the formula? an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. What is an value? 994. What is a value? 105. Plus what is n value? Don't know. What is d? 7. Plus, okay, plus 105 to become minus 105. 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Okay, 889. How much? 889 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. ಇದನ್ನ ఇక్కడ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್. 889 divided by 7 is equal to what is the answer? n minus 1. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಕಲೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಬೇಡ. 7 1s are 7. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಪ್ಪ? 1. 18. 7 2s are 14. 18 minus 14 4. 4 minus 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49. 7 7s are 49. n minus 1. minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬ. 120. Therefore n is equal to ಏನು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್? n is equal to 127 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 128. There are 128 terms which are divisible by 7. 3-digit numbers. Okay. There are 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. How much? 128. 14. How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4 is nothing but what? Divisible by 4 andange. 10 is not divisible by 4. 11? No. 11 no. 12? 16? 20? 250 is it divisible by 4? No. 248? Yes sir. Divisible by 4. Therefore the numbers, solution, the terms the terms which are divisible by 4 are, now which are the terms? 12, 16, 20, last one is 248. What is A here? What is D formula? 16 minus, what is the answer? D is equal to 4. What is AN? 248. AN is equal to, last term is equal to 248. What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. What is AN value? 248 is equal to A value 12 plus n minus 1. What is D value? 4 plus 12. It will become minus 12. Note ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4 minus ಮಾಡಿ 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4 into 4. It will become divide. 236 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36, 59 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 60. There are 60 terms between 10 and 250 which are divisible by multiples of. In question, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 17 and so on are equal. There are two APs. कितने APs हैं? दो APs. One n पहले 3, 10, 17, 24, 31, 38, 45 ಹಿಂಗೆ 7 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 63, 65, 67 2 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. इसको भी एक ही वैल्यू सेम आता है, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಏನದಿಲ್ಲಿ? 3, 10, 17, 24 and so on. ಇದು 63, 65, 67 and so on. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, we are having two APs. Yes or no? AP1, AP2. What is AP1? 63, 65, 67 and so on. Here 3, 10, 17 and so on. Correct? What we need to find out, for which term the AN is same. AN is same. Which term means n. N is equal to question mark. Look here. What is first term here? A is equal to 63. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 65 minus 63. D is equal to, correct? Okay. N is equal to question mark. AN is equal to question mark. Then here capital letter A is equal to 3. Capital letter D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 10 minus 3. What is D value? 7. Correct? D value is 7. Okay. Next, N is equal to question mark. AN is equal to question mark. Look here. According to question, the nth terms are same. Correct? AN is equal to AN. Small letter n is equal to capital letter AN. According to question, small letter AN is equal to capital letter AN. Small letter AN is equal to capital letter AN. ಯಾಕ nth terms are equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ nth term equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ small letter AN is equal to capital letter AN. Small letter n split ಮಾಡೋದಂತ. AN formula A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Correct? What is A value here? A is 63 plus n minus 1. What is D value? 2. is equal to, what is A here? 3 plus n minus 1 B 7. Next 63 plus n into 2 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7 into n 7 minus 7. 63 minus 2 61 plus 2n is equal to 7 minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 7n minus 4 ikkada ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ plus 4 plus 2n ekkada ಹೋದಾಗ minus 2n. 61 minus plus 4 is equal to 7n minus 2n. 65 is equal to 5n into 5. 65 divided by 5 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 13. 13th term. 13th term same ಇರ್ತದಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ 3 10 17 next 24 31 next 31 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 38 45 52 59 66 73 80 87. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 87 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಸೈಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 87 ಅಪ್ಪ. 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 87. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 87. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡೋಣ 63 ಒಂದೇದು 65 67 69 71 73 75 77 79 81 83 85 87. 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 87. 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್? 13th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ರೈಟ್.